Let go. Attaboy.
You know what? You're sweet. Yeah.
Kayla, we gonna walk to grandma?
Yeah, she's watching.
You gonna walk to grandma?
Come on. And make sure you have an audience. Yeah.
Just being
Where
cute.
you gonna go?
Yeah, you
You
wanna
gonna
walk
go
with me?
You gonna go with me? I don't know where I'm going. Hi. It's getting lots stirred, you know.
Yeah. You gonna walk to grandma?
Okay, baby. Yo. Up you go. Where are you going?
Which way are you
Good
going?
dog.
That's pretty good from just a couple steps a week ago.
Yeah, which way are you gonna go?
Yeah.
Get your
We'll be
balance.
getting around everywhere.
Hi. Hi.
Mommy and Daddy will be chasing you all over.
Shannon's very grumpy today.
Really?
She's been taking after. Where are you going, bud?
Da. Hi.